In a related story, there was a rare victory today for supporters of tougher gun laws. The United States Supreme Court let stand a local law in Illinois that bans semi-automatic weapons and large-capacity magazines. Jan Crawford is following this.
The justices gave no reason for why they turned down the challenge to the ban on assault weapons in an Illinois town. But in dissent, Justice Clarence Thomas, joined by Justice Antonin Scalia, said lower court rulings upholding the bans were relegating the Second Amendment to a second-class right. The Supreme Court in 2008 struck down a handgun ban in the District of Columbia, ruling that the Second Amendment protects a person's right to bear arms for self-defense in the home. But in the years since, lower federal courts have narrowly applied the landmark decision, allowing what they consider reasonable gun restrictions, bans on large-capacity semi-automatic firearms like the commonly owned AR-15. 7 states and D.C. have laws banning possession of those weapons. The city of Highland Park passed its ban in 2013. Mayor Nancy Rotering said it was moved to action in part because of the shootings at Sandy Hook Elementary School.
It's well past time to take action to reduce the gun violence that threatens our community's safety, our nation's safety, and inflicts fear and pain on countless families and communities.
But gun rights supporters say the bans cover guns lawfully used by millions of Americans for self-defense and for sport. Today's order is unlikely to encourage sweeping change. 39 states where such guns are legal have laws blocking cities from passing local restrictions.
Now, there typically has to be a conflict in the lower courts before the justices will step in. And so far, Scott, all those lower courts are in agreement to uphold these bans.
Jan Crawford of the Supreme Court. Jan, thank you.